Today, I need you guys to drop the like. We're going to be talking about 2K's new shooting progression system. Now, here's some MyCareer gameplay. I'm going to get into doing it live as well for you guys, but setting the screens on superstar gameplay, difficulty, just so we can make sure that we're getting the progression we need. All right, now you see I'm taking these fades right here. Missed one. Hold up, we're going to call the screen again. You have to break them. Boom, boom, boom. And we get it right there. Now, I have my Mini Magician on Hall of Fame now. This is gold. You're going to actually see a gameplay next clips of me having it on Hall of Fame to show you guys this really is a method to where you're going to get your badges fast. 2K has changed the game up, with the tiers, your attribute caps, and everything. They set it towards a way to where you really have to work for it. And even if you come in superstar and do this, the real players, I believe, and I will always say, is harder than guarding, or harder to score on versus the CPUs. The CPUs are actually robots, and they're coded programs to move a certain way and react and respond a certain way based off of what you do. So if you learn how to trick that enough and you have enough stick skill and mechanical skill, you're going to be able to get past these guys and do what you need to do, even on the superstar level, even on Hall of Fame. Now, I went down to superstar just because for shooting, it just makes it a tad slighter bit easier. It's still not going to be easy for you to shoot, but it just makes it a tad bit slighter easier for you to shoot, just so you can come do these fades right here. What I'm doing, you see I'm missing a few of them. Sometimes you'll miss, but the goal is just to make sure you're getting your badges to activate. It's not, if you miss, it's not like a bad thing if you're missing. So what do I mean? Certain people will look at it like 2K is making it like you can just pay, because you can just pay and you can start to get certain things. It doesn't mean you're going to be good, because players are still struggling with shooting in this game. You understand? Even with having badges and certain things, players are still struggling with shooting. So it tells you there's still caps in certain ways. Certain things is benefiting other players, certain things isn't. That's what I'm really catching from it. When it comes to shooting, for me, I feel it when I miss it. I feel it when it's off. There's a new pro play motion technology system. It's a different way how the release looks this year. So it's like we have to snap into that. We have to get our minds snapped into that. Even when I'm shooting on superstar right here, the timing versus the let's say if you go on pro, it's way easier to shoot. You come here, it's a little like, okay, I gotta make sure I time my shot right. I gotta make sure I have the window, and it's gonna train you to, even when you go into the real game, even though some players are dealing with slight lag input, and it could be from your area. I always try to tell people this with connection. It can really be from your area, where you live at, all types of details. If he comes right here, just reset it, call the screen again, wait till it hits. Nope, it's not there again. Come on, KD, set a good one up. They scrapping for the ball. So players are at different levels within the game. So grinding is going to be different for each and every different person. The best tips I can give when you're trying to unlock your shooting badges fast is to do superstar. I'm telling you. And if you can do Hall of Fame, go to Hall of Fame. I'm not on Hall of Fame just because I don't want to deal with certain things with offense wise. But when I go for my lockdown, I will be playing Hall of Fame. It'll probably be so fast. Thank you with the shot. So I'm going to come back down. And this is what I do with the method right here. You can get open looks too. Once you get open off the screen right there's going to be a contested dead eye one. Once you start doing that, you'll get used to shooting contested and dead eyes on the harder CPUs on superstar. Also, when you're trying to grind for VC, I see that, when you grind on these higher levels, it's not as OD how they used to have it. So me personally, when I'm going against the CPUs, like doing these fades right here, bang bang, just hitting them, and then you get takeover, then you can even start going more crazier and unlocking your badges. It's not as hard as it was in previous 2Ks. It still is tough, but once you know how to play, you're going to be a little bit better, a little bit more better off than somebody else who doesn't, right? Even when you're playing on superstar and you're just going through games, remember, they made that's a luxury. You have to understand, for with the gaming companies, that's a luxury when they do that, because any gaming company could look at their game like it's a game where you have to be the top player, but they're not just gonna make it easy, because then everybody could be the top player. You see what I'm saying? So it's like they make it a luxury that they made it so quick to where you can just walk out of the garage and then load back in and play another game in MyCareer easily. Back then, remember, you had to go do quests. Yeah, it slowed you down, and I feel like on a real psychology level, that slowed people down when you had to go do the quest. Stop. Oh damn, I gotta wait. Hold on. This quest gotta finish. We just gonna take this little way in. Oh, he's there. Jimmy is annoying. Jimmy, like, what's up? Let me be. I don't even have a lot of finishing stats, so he just there. He just stopped and everything. Come on, let him shoot so I can hurry up and get down this court. See, I just let the CPU shoot. I don't be worried about that. I still treat him like regular MyCareer. 2K still ain't gonna milk me for everything. All right, here we go. Oh my God, y'all see how Jimmy keep ripping me? We just gonna shoot. Oh my God. Ah! Stop playing with me, Jimmy. We still gonna shoot that. Dead eye. Stop playing. Like, I'm sick. Like, yo, Superstar, sometimes when you get on Superstar, you're gonna see how they mess with you a little bit more. They bother you a little bit more. But if you really want to unlock badges, get VC fast. I got to 9,000 VC quick. I was like, okay, hold up. Hall of Fame probably be way more. But it's certain things I'm not trying to have go away, like my what is it? Hold on, let me turn to the side. My here we go. There it is. You see when you get those, boom, and then you green. It's certain things like my shooting badges, like the CPUs will be way more on the Windows Hall of Fame. It's really like damn near similar, the same, but it's just certain little things. The robots will turn up a little bit more, certain instances. Right? You see the open looks popping up, y'all see the badges popping up, and you can work on a few badges. It's way better to get off pro. I'm telling you, you may be like, man, I need let me just get on pro because it's easier, but no, get the Hall of Fame. I mean, get the Superstar. Look at this, bang. Oh no, that one felt good. My stamina bar, that's why. Oh, that one's off too. I felt it. See, you still feel it. I feel like it's the same like on part when I'm in here on Superstar. Changing the level, that will confuse you. That will mess up your mind if you actually. I'm gonna actually get to the next part of this video, but that's gonna confuse you guys if you actually just play on the easier level in MyCareer and any just blacktop mode, and then you go to the park. It's just gonna throw you off, or the wreck gonna completely throw you off. Play on the hardest level, it gets you used to being precise on timing that window more, you know. Let's get into the second part of this video. Okay, I'm coming up on the end of this match now. Now I wasn't really trying hard. I just wanted to go in and do a live game so I could do some live footage for you guys to show you how I would be sitting there going through the game, certain things that could happen. You see Jimmy was still in it, yada yada. You see how my badge progression has gone up. Big driver, comeback kid, and the other few badges went up, but not by much. 2K has their caps and set limits on what badges go up higher. You guys see the VC I'm getting, not bad. Okay, you see the little multiplier come up because I'm playing on Superstar. Right, let me show you guys something now. So when we come over here to the badges, right, you see I got right here Mini Magician, Hall of Fame, Drill Sir, I mean immunity on it, so I don't want this to drop down. Right, you see I come over here to open looks, you see I'm going up. I got the green progression there, and you see it still takes some time, but if you keep playing on Superstar, you'll see that it goes up. It'll actually feel like, okay, my stuff is going up, rather than you feel like it's not. Right now, that's B tier badges. You go to A tier, you see I have Green Machine, it's going up. Green Machine pops up a lot, trust me, and it takes some time. This is when I started to realize, okay, the higher the tiers, the longer it takes when you're trying to get these badges. It's that simple. It's kind of easy to see. See S tier, when you're I'm trying to get Deadeye because it falls into my S tier category, right? Trying to get that Deadeye. You see how longer it's taking, and I've had Deadeye pop up a lot, but it takes some time, right? So of course the drop rate may not take that long either, but it's really like if you was grinding for level 40. That's kind of how they're trying to put that quest to us, so we can feel like, yes, when we finally get it, and feel like we leveled up. And I personally, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I like it because it's like, it's, if you got that skill, you're gonna have it. You can go on Superstar and do it. Yeah, it may drop if you go out there and you play against people and you can't really do it, and that's how it should be. I feel like that creates that balance there. It really does, because robots is robots, real people is real people. I'm gonna just keep it 100 for myself. Anybody else, you can speak for yourself, but for me, and this is not me going along with 2K, all the badge come, or it's not me going along with them. Yeah, they may need to do some tweaks and make certain things a little easier. I guess that's what people are gonna want, so maybe the devs will do that. I really don't care for it right now. I'm just trying to learn the windows and go crazy. I can see like, okay, my S tiers are taking longer to unlock, That's pretty simple to see. You're gonna have some that's naturally unlocked on bronze, but look, even my blinders, I've been having blinders pop up crazy. Even in those gameplays y'all seen, I have blinders pop up crazy. Like, still not, you know what I'm saying? So you drop down to here, you see A tier. My A tiers is a little higher. You can look and see it. Look, physical handles, it went down. Dang, I didn't get into no physical handle contacts. You can clearly see it right here, right? Now there's certain things. Look, big drivers going up. I've been doing a lot of big drivers, but look, even Claymore, because I'm not sitting still enough. I'm telling y'all, it gets a little different. So you can see it right here. I go down to the B tier. You can see I'm already getting here. B tier even takes some time to get with certain badges as well. All right. Now I've seen other people unlock certain badges like acrobat, certain things, handles for days. So I know it's possible, even 2-step. So all of it is possible. It's just how much you're doing it. 2K has their set caps on it. Why do they have their set caps on it? Because they want it to be like where it's a quest. They want it to be like that. You gotta think of the average player. It's really a quest for them. For certain sweaties and stuff that's gonna go, you know, hard, it's easier. You see, guys, I'm on Superstar. It's no cap into y'all. It's on Superstar, right? Superstar is gonna help you. You get more VC. By the end of it, when you're looking at your VC, like, you just keep playing games real quick, you put it on 5-minute quarters, you keep going through it, you're gonna see the thousands. You just gonna keep seeing yourself go up, because it's like 900 something, but like, you're gonna keep seeing yourself go up. Damn, I keep failing this quest against Jimmy. What am I supposed to do against Jimbo? So I hope you guys enjoyed this, man. This is gonna help you get your badges fast and quick, all right? Especially in your first lowest tier, get them within a day, easy. Right, y'all hit that like, subscribe, man. Make sure you guys are tapping into the content. I got so much coming. Y'all thought I was just about to just be only dropping a little bit. No, I got it all coming. It's all prepared up. It's all coming. Y'all see, look at this too. Yeah, he's dressed up. KD's dressed up. It's that time now. It's that season. It's that season. Hit that like, subscribe.